Hello everyone, it's Sean. Wearing a hat today so I don't cause a glare on the shelf. Now, while I was in the other room putting the Construx risers together for my action figures, I had an idea that I could do the same thing for my small model Starships. So I brought the big bin of the new Construx in this room. I don't want to get mixed up between my childhood pieces and my extra pieces. So I'll see if I can get out the various bags of the connector pieces and we'll see how we do. Be right back. If you noticed in the background, I finally got my college poster of the Rock framed. Give you a closer look here. You can see the full poster there. It was up there, but it got horrible glare from the overhead light, so I just put it there for now. Alright, I'm back. Yeah. Well, I have all the bags I sorted everything into. I had to get all 5 because you have the gray pieces, as many as I could fit in there. Now you see some of them have decals on them and everything. You have all the smaller pieces. My goodness, there's so many. You have the panels. Now, there's not that many, but I'm only going to need a couple shelves, so that's not a problem. And you have all the connector pieces, including the rare black rotating pieces. And I noticed that the glare always ends up being more severe when I have it in portrait mode facing me, so I'm going to stop the video here, turn the camera around, and we'll go on from there. Here we go. So you got the 3 Starships. I'm going to have to create a prototype panel display. Given how long the Starships are, I think I'll start with these longer pieces. That should be good enough. Because it appears most of the panels I have are longer pieces anyway, so let's see how I do with the black pieces here. Alright, I'm back. So what I'll do, instead of using the black pieces for the connectors, I will use the gray pieces. I'm thinking about doing this with my childhood collection too, but actually I like it just the way it is, all mixed up together. Now, you can't use this gray piece because it doesn't have 6 sides. Alright, so let's start. Don't worry, if I run out of black side pieces, I should have more of a different color, or I can connect 2 regular side pieces and do it that way. Which I'm going to have to do anyway if you want them to be the width of the ship. So, here we go. There we are. There you are, see? Okay, good. Now, you have some black connector pieces too. Good, excellent. See, these are all the sets I didn't have as a kid, the space set and everything. So, this is great. I had tried, I think, before to separate it between a black bag and a white bag and a green bag, a gray bag as far as connector pieces, but I don't think that worked for whatever reason. So I did it this way. Just put the pieces that were the same dimensions into each, and I only ever seem to have light blue connector pieces. Okay, here we go. See? But I just realized a flaw in my plan. You're not going to be able to get the connector pieces up between the ships unless the 2 ships are, say, this size, right? And you're going to have to make the connector piece this height so that you can actually Oh, good. It's in view. Huh. Just give me a minute here. So the Enterprise B is out as a candidate for this idea. It can only be the Enterprise A and the Enterprise Original. All right, so let's see here. You got to put this piece here. This piece here. Now, let's make sure that the Enterprise A fits in there without any interference, because you want to have the TOS on top. Good. Okay, so connector piece, connector piece. This is basically just a avoidance of wasted space mechanism, actually. Okay, give me some time to find some other black connector pieces and I will be right back. Alright, there it is. You've got the two ships. And unlike the figures which fall over, these ships won't have that happen. And you had built Construx Shelves before for model cars. Just getting all four angles here. Actually, occurs to me, if you want to angle it like this, it'd actually be a better choice, wouldn't it? There you go, try that. And how appropriate that it's the space set with a colored decal on there, because that's how it should be. So now I'm going to turn it this way. Turn this one this way. And there we are. Now we'll see if it fits on the shelf. They didn't fit on that shelf, but they fit here beside the Terry Metalis and LeVar Burton autographed Enterprise D. So that's quite good. The Construx from the new set worked brilliantly. I like how the blue and the other color work there, and this picture is going to be cropped to focus just on those two ships, so that'll work brilliantly, actually. So that's all for today for Sean's model builds. Probably won't get any more done on the Voyager this week, and there's nothing more to unbox for this time, so that's all for now, and we'll see you here next time. Bye-bye. While I'm here, I think I'm going to do some model shelf rearrangement. Seems to me that this Enterprise E will fit in here all by itself, which would open up more room on this shelf for Voyager. Possibly more of the 1000 scale fleet. No, it stays on that shelf. It stays over there. Okay. Just give me one. Let's see here. Sorry I was so quiet. I have another kit I think I can put there. All right. So there are the Discovery kits pulled forward. The Enterprise E stored by itself, and the important thing is it's flush. It's going to be important in a minute. There's Voyager on top of the Galileo box. I tried to put the Voyager box in there, but with the Excelsior there, it's a bit too thick. So that wouldn't quite work. And Voyager's box might not fit there. I'm going to find out. Give me 1 minute. There we go. Still trying to get the other Voyager centered, but it just likes to be like it's going up. Oh, here we go. Flash on. There you go. There's a better view. Excellent. There's a better view of the E. Here's a better view of the Discovery ships. It's not the Discovery Space Shuttle. All right, now to move around the model paint boxes for a moment. So there you are. You have me, and you have the rock in the background without the ceiling light interfering with him. You have the 650 Enterprise E, the Eagle Moss ships, the die-cast space shuttles, the Discovery line. Star Wars shelf didn't change, nor did the top shelf, but now you have... Ah! There you are. Just 1 minute. That is the most efficient way to store the 4 ships. Excellent. There you go. So 2,000 scale Voyagers, 1,000 scale Excelsior, and the old 670 Voyager in the back. And you know that empty model boxes of the appropriate size could be used as a platform so that there's less wasted space on the shelf. So now I'm going to take the flash pictures. So there's 1, there's 2, and let's see here. Can I get a good picture of the rocks photo without anything in background?